Good morning, children. Now today we come to the next equation with acids, and that is the reaction between potassium sulfate and nitric acid. So as we did before, we'll write the formulae of the reactants and then we just rearrange the ions, the positive ion of one compound with the negative ion of the second compound to give you the products. And similarly, the positive ion of the second compound with the negative ion of the first compound. So you have potassium sulfate. Potassium symbol is K. Valency of potassium is 1. Then we have sulfate SO4. Valency of sulfate is 2. So after we cross multiply, we get K2SO4 plus all acids we know contain a positive ion which is hydrogen and valency of hydrogen is 1. Nitric acid along with hydrogen has NO3 nitrate. Valency of nitrate is 1. So after we cross multiply, we get HNO3. Now for the products, we will rearrange the positive ion of the first compound with the negative ion of the second one. So potassium with nitrate. So you will get potassium nitrate here. And hydrogen with sulfate will give you hydrogen sulfate. Is that clear? So then we get K. Valency of potassium is 1. Nitrate is NO3. Valency is 1. So after you cross multiply, you get KNO3 plus hydrogen sulfate. Hydrogen valency is 1. Sulfate is SO4. Valency is 2. So after you cross multiply, you get H2SO4. Okay, H2SO4 sulfuric acid. So hydrogen sulfate with water will give you sulfuric acid. So you have 2 of potassium here. Here you have just 1. So to balance it, you write 2 here. Sulfate, there is 1 here. SO4, there is 1. And there is 1 sulfate here. So that is balanced. Then you have 1 hydrogen here and you have 2. So you write 2 here to make the hydrogen equal. And when you write 2 here, the NO3 also gets 2. Because this 2 is for hydrogen as well as for NO3. And here there are already 2 NO3. So this equation is now balanced. Now we come to the next one, and that is magnesium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid. So we will write the formulae again and then we rearrange the ions to form the products. So magnesium is Mg. Valency of magnesium is 2. Carbonate is CO3. Valency of carbonate is also 2. 2 ones will cancel. And then we get MgCO3 plus hydrochloric acid. All acids contain hydrogen. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Hydrochloric acid in addition to hydrogen has chloride. Valency is 1. So after you cross multiply, you get HCl. Now we will rearrange the ions. Magnesium with chloride will give you magnesium chloride. And hydrogen with carbonate will give you hydrogen carbonate or carbonic acid. So magnesium, Mg, valency is 2. Chloride is Cl, valency is 1. So after you cross multiply, you will get MgCl2 plus hydrogen valency is 1. Carbonate is CO3 with valency 2. So when you cross multiply, you get H2CO3. H2CO3 is the formula for carbonic acid. Now, so you have 1 Mg this side, you have 1 Mg this side. Mg is balanced. 1 CO3 here, 1 CO3 here. This is also balanced. 1 H this side and we have 2 H's this side. So to balance it, we write 2 here. And when we write 2 here, Cl gets 2. So here there are already 2 Cls. So this equation is balanced.